Hi, this is Mark Steenerson, and with this video, I'm going to go over and explain to you how to take the oils. Remember, the oils are 60% fish oil and 40% a type of an olive oil with a special one from Spain. And what they've done is they've taken the olives before they matured, and they're up to 300 times more powerful with polyphenols than a regular olives would be. So they are able to concentrate that and put that together with the oil and the omega oils. And the nice part about that is that the polyphenols help to drive the omegas into your cell membranes, into your brain, into your joints, into your tissues. I mean, they have far-reaching benefits for us. So, first thing we do is we have what they call blister packs. This is my preferred way to take it myself, but I don't have a problem with tablets or capsules. And the way you do this is for every 60 pounds that you weigh, you will take one capsule. If you weighed 120 pounds, you would take 2 capsules. If you weighed 180 pounds, you would take 3 capsules, and so on. If it falls in between, say for example, 165 pounds, I would take 3 capsules. I'd rather take just a little bit extra than not enough. I want to get my results as quickly as possible. These do not have to be refrigerated, and these can be taken with you wherever you go. You can just put them in there if you're going somewhere. Simple and easy. The second way is the actual oil itself. And this oil, for those that don't like pills, can take it this way. And what you're going to do is you're going to get a little measuring cup here. And notice I've got a little bit of a little bit of purified water in the bottom, just a little bit. You want to put a little bit of that in there first, because if you put the oil in first, guess what? It's going to stick to the bottom and you're not going to get all of it. Oil and water always separate. So when I put the oil in, this oil in here, I can put it in, and it's got on the side here, I can measure the number of milliliters that we need. And we just fill it up to that number of milliliters, and then down the hatch you go. It comes in lemon flavored. It comes in grapefruit flavored. It comes also in orange flavored. And for kids, it comes in tutti frutti. So if you can't get kids to take a pill, guess what? Just have them take a little shot glass of that down the hatch, and it tastes good. Now, with the liquid, you have to do it a little differently. What we do there is we take your weight and we divide it by 14, the number 14 for adults. And once you divide your weight, say for example it's 100 pounds and you divide it by 14, that's going to tell you how many milliliters of this that you want to put in here. And it'll tell you the milliliters, okay? Very simple, so you can be very specific with it. If you have a child, which we have lots of children, we recommend it because it makes their brains work better, reduces the risk of ADD and ADHD, their focus, their memory, their IQ, all those things. It's been proven that omega oils are extremely important for the brain and the tissues and even digestion and those kinds of things. So when kids take it, it is their weight divided by 10. And that will tell you how many milliliters the kids need, which will probably not be that many. If you have a woman that's pregnant or nursing, we do the 14, but we add, when we're done, 3 milliliters extra. So that is really, really supportive for a nursing woman to be able to get those omegas to the child, and also a woman that's pregnant. And research shows that women that are taking the omegas when they're pregnant, and especially these omegas, because this has got the polyphenols in it to drive the omegas into the system. That's the big difference. All right? And we find that the mother's children will have, on average, an increase of IQ by 10 points. You want to have smarter kids? Yeah, that's what you want to do when you're pregnant or going to be pregnant or nursing. So really, really simple, easy to do. So you got two approaches, either the oil. This oil has to be refrigerated once you open it. And those that don't like to take pills, you take the oil. Otherwise, these are the ticket. Simple, easy to do, okay? All right, you have a blessed day. We'll talk soon.